Generating high-power modulated signals with high crest factors and good EVM could be a challenging task. Not so with the vector signal generator SMBV100B, equipped with the ultra-high output power option SMBV100B-B32. A 10 MHz LTE test model 3.1 signal has a typical crest factor of 11 dB. With an output power of plus 18 dBm, this leads to a peak envelope power of up to 29 dBm. Even up to these very high power levels, the SMBV100B provides excellent signal quality with outstanding EVM performance. Use the performance of the SMBV100B to avoid external amplifiers and simplify your test setup. More information can be found on the Rohde Schwarz homepage.